Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Shailja Saraswati. You're watching my YouTube channel. Well, I just wanted to share something very interesting which I observed over the last 1 week. There is a time when situations and events kind of stick to the mind, and the mind gets like very entwined with what's really going on, whether it's to do with that particular situation, the people in that situation, or the event. So how do you de-link from that situation and people and things? Sometimes we feel that that is the reality, and it's very overbearing. We feel it's very difficult to take the mind out of such situations. And the more I pondered over it, and in through my experience, I realized that the power of meditation is so deep that if you really practice meditation during such situations, you will actually see the real effect of how meditation can take the mind away from the situation and the event. It delinks the mind from those situation and events. And what happens during that time is that if a lot of toxins had to generate in your system, maybe some impressions you were to carry forward in your subconscious mind because of being really charged up, a lot of emotional charges happened during that situation. It mitigates all of those, and then it makes you settle down more into your centeredness, and you'll feel light when you come out of meditation and look at the same situation. So that is the power, and it's really not like a hearsay or a bookish theory or a knowledge which I'm sharing. It's something which I practice, and I have also applied it during situations which sometimes the mind gets into a tough situation where it's not really able to come out of it. And I have applied this knowledge, this technique during those situations, and believe me, you me or not, absolutely it works every time. So whenever you get a chance to learn such techniques which calm you, to learn such techniques which bring you back to the moment and not really get stuck in this thought process, the bubble which is taking you into past, which is full of feeling guilty about something which you did or could have done better, or into future which is all about anxiety, right? So we anticipate things, we build our worries, and most of them really don't come true. So this is what I wanted to share. Meditation is really that very tangible, profound technique which you can apply in terms of delinking the mind from situations and events. And here's a challenge I'm throwing at you. Whenever you come across certain tough situations, learn few guided meditation, play some soothing music, and just try and like do observe your breathing, breathe in and out, and just relax those 20 minutes if you do this, or even 10 minutes during those stressful situations. I know it's difficult, but it's also about culturing the mind into this journey of self mastery. Do it. Believe me, do it, and you will see the result. And I'll see you soon again. Till then, keep smiling and keep commenting if you like what I'm posting on this channel. Bye.